Okay, Dante really wants to get to this stump. I'm not really sure why, but apparently this is kind of important to him. E is over here trying to pull this limb off of her. And Dante is just hanging out. And barely Laura. Or Dante. Now we're back to the stump of mystery. It's kind of deep right there. Not really sure what to do about this stump. Laura's just drinking the water while she's hanging out. What is this thing? What could it be? And there they go.